Hi guys, welcome to Shogo's here in Tokyo, Japan. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to cook Japanese curry. And when it comes to curry, probably you think of Indian curry, which is really good and I love it. But we Japanese have our own curry, and it's not as spicy as Indian curry. It's a bit sweet, but it's really good. And all the family has different flavor or like taste, and even if you use the same ingredient, it ends up different taste or flavor somehow. And all the family has their own recipe, I guess. And I used to eat my mom's curry, and even now when I eat my mom's curry, it feels right, you know. And it's so easy to make, so I think you should give it a try too. So let's do it. So this is all what we use for today. And this is like very basic Japanese curry, and you can add a little more if you want. And we have 2 onions and 2 potatoes, 2 carrots, and we have chicken today. And we use chicken today just for the chicken curry, but it can be beef or pork, whatever you want. It's just if you use beef, it's gonna be beef curry, pork curry, so whatever you want. And we have this one, curry paste, and this is actually all we need for the curry. And there is a instruction on the back of the box, and you can just follow the instruction, but it could be Japanese or some other language that you can read. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. So okay, and we're gonna start off by cutting the onions. We'll cut the onion into little big chunk of the onions, and it's just you need to feel the texture of the onion, so it's a bit bigger than you think. And quarter, and one more, quarter, and one more, and one more. Alright, so we're just gonna peel the carrots and then potatoes off. Okay, you just peel it. Alright, so we got all of this ready. Now we just cut these potatoes and carrots into 1 bite size of chunk, and yeah, it goes like this. Alright, so we got potatoes and carrots ready. It's like this big, it's like thumb big. And yeah, we got onions ready, and the chicken we're just gonna grill it. So we're just gonna start cooking. Okay, so we're just gonna start grilling and turn the heat up and put some canola oil and wait until it gets pretty hot. So we're gonna put the onions and saute the onions until it gets brown. And when it gets brown, we're just gonna put the carrots and potatoes into the pan. Put some salt, just to get extra flavor from the onions. Now the onions is turning to brown, so we're just gonna put the carrots and potatoes into the pan. And we're just gonna move it to the heat right next to it, and turn it up. And while it's going, we're gonna grill the chicken. Put some canola oil. And the chicken into the pan. It's just we don't want to waste the time. I'm not like rushing anything, but we don't want to wait until the chicken gets ready. So You gotta just keep going both sides. That way, when the potatoes and carrots are ready, this chicken will be ready as well. So just let it go. Both going at the same time. The chicken is almost ready. It doesn't have to ready perfectly because I'm gonna have the second half of the chicken. So we just put it into the pan. You can put some this sauce into the pot as well. It has the umami of the chicken, so you can put it a little bit. If you put too much, the curry will be too watery, so not too much, alright? And after that, you need to put some water into the pot, and this time I'm gonna put 32 ounces of the water because I'm gonna use the whole box of the curry paste, and that's about the right amount. And we're just gonna let it go for like 20 minutes just to get the potatoes and carrots ready. And after the 20 minutes, we're just gonna put the curry paste. Right? So now it's been almost 20 minutes. So now you can turn off the heat, and now we get to the curry paste. And it's like this. And there's 4 chunk of curry paste in each box. So rip it off. And before you open it, you can break it into 4 pieces. That way you don't have to get your finger dirty. And after that, you open it, and you can just put everything in, the pot at one time, but it takes so long to melt. So we go one by one, pick up one piece and put it into the ladle, and you kind of go like this and try to weld the curry paste. That way you don't get the one big chunk of curry paste when you eat, just to make sure it goes into the water. And we have 8 of the curry paste, so you go one by one, and the curry will be almost ready. Alright, so this is the last one, and when you get all these curry paste done into the curry, you need to turn up the heat. Just a low heat would be good, and heat up the curry again, and just to make sure all the ingredient has the curry flavor. So we're just gonna turn the heat up, just a low heat, and we're just gonna let it go for like 10 minutes, and the curry will be ready. So now we got curry ready, so we're just gonna put all of this in the plate, and the rice is ready as well. So put some rice on the plate. Yep. And I use rice, well, like typical Japanese people, we use rice for the curry, but the curry goes well with the bread as well. So if you're not a big fan of rice, you can use a bread instead of rice. And put some curry as well. Yeah, this is it. Beautiful. This is a Japanese home cooking curry. Beautiful. Alright, now the curry is ready, and we can start digging in. Alright, we got this ready, and I'm just gonna give it a try. Yeah, this is it. This is fantastic. This is the homemade Japanese curry. You guys should give it a try. It's really good. So this is how to make Japanese curry. And curry takes a bit long time, and people said the longer you cook, the better it is. I don't know if it's true or not, but you can just read a book and make some curry or something. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like the video and subscribe my channel as well. I will see you on the next video.